Manifesting money made easy. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about that with Harrison, one of my clients. And he's got some questions for me. So, people listen. Please remember that manifesting money is easy. It can be instant. Most of the time, it is instant. Maybe not the 100 millions, but normal amount of money can be very instant. We are going to be teaching you how to do that in Millionaire Shift Accelerator, where I teach how to be the version of you which is a millionaire, so the money can come to you, so the money can show up. We're doing it. We're on week 6 of the first round of manifesting, and people are getting great results. They love it, and they're seeing real shifts every single session. You need to be in there. Get on the waiting list in the description of the video. Click on there. Be a part of it. You have to do this, people. This is the only way. You have to feel like a millionaire before the money arrives. Period. End of sentence. So, Harrison has questions for me. I don't know what he's going to ask me. So, just roll with it. Let's see what happens, shall we?
So the first one, what is the biggest mistake you see when people are trying to manifest more money?
They think that the amount of money they want would be nice. It's a wishful thinking, but the amount is scary and they don't know how it could possibly happen. They still do not believe that universe has ways of surprising and shocking you and doing things you couldn't even think about because your mind is not as big as universe is. You have lots of limiting beliefs. Universe can do things which you just uh, are too big for even movie scripts, Hollywood movie scripts. It has a way of totally creating miracles which will stun you for the rest of your life. And you still don't trust that there is a way. You keep trying to figure out a way and you cannot find one. So you stop believing it. So hence you cannot manifest. Another big one is that people refuse to follow the rules of manifesting and laws of physics. Um, I keep telling them you want instant manifestations, you have to do everything now yourself. And now I mean this second, this minute, not in a month or half year. I mean now, literal now. And people don't understand that. They don't behave like I want instant manifestation. I want it next second. Well, I have to behave like that first because it's tit for tat. I do something, they do something. People still don't understand that. So, there's lots of different reasons why people don't manifest. They also feel like it's gonna happen one day. Well, you just screwed it up because one day doesn't exist, only now exists. So you're supposed to feel and believe that you already have it because that's the only time you can manifest it. But if you think that's going to happen in the future, every now moment it's going to happen in the future, which means it's never going to happen because future and past do not exist. Only now moment actually exists. And people still don't grasp this concept. So it's very difficult. There's so much around the money. But these are some of the biggest ones I just named.
Yeah, and I think that's very important what you said. So, and yeah, I know you've manifested some really good opportunities in business and things in your life. What were they, and what were the things that you did in order to be able to achieve them and get them?
I have 9 months ago, I have manifested an opportunity to be in a movie with Tony Robbins as a new talent, a new generation. Like, okay, cool, I can do that. I said no to it for reasons which will be known to me only. I know why I said no. But I do have the email. I still have the email asking me. So I have manifested my cars, the exact house I wanted. I have manifested, oh my God, so much. Meeting celebrities, being best friend with one huge worldwide celebrity, being friends with millionaires and billionaires who are very, very, very good people who are on the right side of history and who are good and dear friends. God, there's so much. I don't know where to. Yeah, I was offered to be on a American magazine with Elon Musk on the cover, all sorts of stuff. Everything's possible. I don't have any hang-ups, so I am pretty unlimited, I believe. And when hear my own limits, I instantly get rid of them. So everything, everything. And it comes fast because with the American magazine, I was like, oh, I haven't been asked to be on a magazine cover, but that's been a long time. Never mind. 15 minutes later, email. Would you like to be Miss Green? Would you like to be on a magazine with Elon Musk on the cover? Like, here we go. I'm bored, you know. So big things and even small things, big things. There is no size. Universe doesn't recognize size, and lots of them literally come in second, minutes, hour. When it comes next day, I feel like a failure because it's too long. So yeah, you can have everything. I literally teach what I live. So, and you've seen me manifesting. People in the manifestation HQ see me manifesting instantly. People in the millionaire accelerator see me manifesting instantly. It's really, really easy, but there are rules to it, and you have to accept the rules. Does it
Yeah,
make sense?
it does, and I'm guessing you had a strong belief that it was gonna happen.
I didn't give a shit. I didn't even have a belief. I didn't give a shit. I think that's one of the main things. I was like, yeah, I didn't even ask. I said, oh, I haven't been on the cover of a magazine for a long time. I have a meeting, I have to go. That was all. I didn't write it. I didn't ask her. I said, universe, I want to be on a magazine cover with Elon Musk. Please make it happen. No. It's like, well, I don't care. And that's where it derives the fastest when you're like, oh, okay, whatever. The fastest. It's instant. You always get what you don't need or what you don't care about instantly. If you care about it too much, well, you're in it for months and years to come. So good luck.
Yeah, no, that's really interesting. And you see a lot of people like they want financial freedom or they really want money and they're working harder and harder and harder, but they never seem to get it or break through financially. Why do you think that is?
Because they believe that they have to do something in order to get what they want, and that's not how it works. All you need to do is say, I'm a multimillionaire. Fuck this. I'm gonna have a good day today. And the money will literally come to you out of nowhere. That's how it works. You don't have to, it feels like you almost don't have to do a squat to get the money. But you made a decision that that's who you are, the identity, you are a multimillionaire. What happens to multimillionaires? They make money all the time, coming out of nowhere. And that's exactly what happens. But if you say, I don't have money, I need to make more money, you have identity of a poor person, hence the money cannot come to you. You are the version which has lots of money. You have it before it comes. It'll come to you. You are the version which never has money or makes money and loses it. That's what happens to the money not coming to you. Depends what version of yourself you are and whether you stick with it or not. You can say I'm a multimillionaire and next breath, I don't know, I'm gonna pay my electricity bill. That's not how multimillionaires behave. You either are one or you're not, and you need to decide which one it is because that version will manifest. There's lots of way. That's another block. Lots of wavering. Yeah, no, I made a decision. I'm a millionaire, but nothing has changed. I still don't have money. Well, you haven't made a decision that you're a millionaire because if you have, you would never ask me that. Because you either are it or you're not it. Which one is it? But you cannot say I am and I'm not, and I am and I'm not, and I am and I'm not. Because you will drive me crazy and you will drive universe crazy. You
Yeah,
know, can do
that's
that.
there's a lot of contradiction.
Yeah, you have to stay in one place. You have to stay in one place. This is who I am, no matter what I see in 3D reality. That's who I am, and you cannot tell me that I'm not what I decided to be, and whatever I see is irrelevant because I have made a decision that I'm a multimillionaire. And you can tell me for 3 nights that I'm not, and I will laugh at your face. That's assuming identity of multimillionaire, and then everything has to happen for you. It's like I want to lose 10 pounds. Okay, I'm the version who lost 10 pounds. I'm thin. Oh my God, I cannot eat a donut. I'll gain weight again. So which one is it? Which one is it? You either never gain weight or you do gain weight. Which one is it? You haven't made a decision, so your weight will go up, down, up, down, up, down. You're never gonna get the body you want. You need to decide and stay there. That's what makes the difference between successful and unsuccessful people. Right? That makes sense. Any other questions?
Yeah, so I think this would be good for the viewers. If someone wanted to manifest like a significant amount of money, say in the next 6 months, what should their number one priority or focus be?
First of all, they shouldn't say the in next 6 months because that's putting time to it, and time doesn't exist. It can come to you next day, in a week, in a month. You say 6, you're telling universe what to do. That's not going to be taken lightly. Um, and again, you decide that you're a multimillionaire, and nothing and no one can convince you otherwise. Not your bank account, not your banker, not your mother, not your spouse, not your financial director. No one can convince you otherwise. And they can scream it at you and they will say, no, this is my reality. This is who I am. And you do get the creative ideas and you follow them. And you do listen to the instructions called inspired action from universe, and you will get there. And you totally believe that it's done, you have nothing to do, and that's the end of story. And it must happen. It's a process which is guaranteed. It's inevitable. It's guaranteed. You cannot fail. It's impossible to fail if you only follow this instruction. I have made a decision. I'm a multimillionaire. Nothing and no one can spoil it for me. And if I stay in this lane, I'm guaranteed my results. End of. It's like Trump, I believe in 90s, I think, lost everything, all his billions. Well, in 1 year, he was a billionaire again. No one convinced him that he's not a billionaire. He didn't have anything and still felt like a billionaire, so he was a billionaire. That's all you need to do. Absolutely unwavering decision on what you want and who you are. That's it. It's that easy. And you can make that decision in 2 seconds flat. 1 second if it's a long decision, 2 seconds. Yeah. Does it make sense? Was it helpful?
It is, I think that's some really, really good knowledge. Really
Yeah.
good.
Thank you. Thanks. Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you for coming here. Maybe we'll do this again. Guys, thank you. Remember, waiting list for the Millionaire Identity Shift Accelerator because you have to feel like a millionaire before the money can come in. That's rule number one of all money manifesting. And we'll see you there. Have fun. Thanks for everything. Bye-bye.